P4. So the elevators at Tysons Tower, parking garage. In Tysons, Virginia.
P4.
No, don't go. Oh, fuck.
Going up.
It's fine. Whatever.
We're fine, dude.
Take it to the chin.
And then we'll end at the main floor.
Yeah, that is the main floor.
No, I mean like you saw how there was escalators right there?
Yeah.
Or you wanna end on the top?
Let's take it for one more
Lobby.
spin. Let's go back down to P4 and then back up to lobby.
Going down.
Got my cabbie now. Pretty cool cab, actually. It's innovation, I think. Yeah, that's innovation.
Prestige, I think.
Yeah, so that's definitely older prestige.
P4.
Lobby.
Going up.
Innovation fixtures. It's your 88 phone. 88 phone right there. Capacity.
4,000, I think. Yeah,
4,000.
Yeah, it says right there.
It's right there.
Happy
What's on
birthday.
GR?
I think like ground level.
Should we get off the
Lobby.
No, just get off here.
Okay.
Going down.